Previously, we talked about the concept of the voice of customer and CTQ, critical to quality parameters. Now here in this section, we will be talking about how do we select a project, how do we select a Six Sigma project. Project gets selected based on two main categories, external sources and internal sources. External sources are, let's say, voice of customer. We talked about that. Voice of customer tells you that what does customer want. That can give you a good idea about where you can improve your process based on voice of customer, based on CTQs. So where we are falling short of customer needs and what we need to do to improve customer satisfaction. That is something which can give you a good idea about selecting the project. Another way to look at that is look at the market, where the market is going. What are the market trends? That can give you some idea about where this company or you need to improve. Another thing you could see is competitors. What's the voice of competitors? What your competitors are doing. If your competitors are doing something different and they are successful, probably you need to look at that and do a project to make yourself better than your competitors. So these are some external sources which can help you in identifying improvement projects, Six Sigma projects. And in addition to these external sources, there could be some internal sources as well. Let's look at those on the next slide.